The task I've designed for this assessment task is called the Ice Cream Shop for Statistics at Year 4. This activity will require students to engage in taking a survey with their fellow students, asking what their favorite flavor of ice cream is. Students will have a chance to taste some flavors using some tasting spoons to find out which one they prefer most. The survey will have the items as ice cream flavors. These will range from chocolate, vanilla, rainbow, boysenberry, cookies and cream, salted caramel. As a part of this investigation, students will complete a tally for the data for each student what their favorite flavor of ice cream is, collected via a survey. When the data is completed, the students will convert this into a bar graph represented the class polled preferences of ice cream flavors to see what the findings of data present. So catering for student needs for involvement and challenging excelling students. In supporting students that are below level in this area, they are encouraged to present their data using a pictograph. They will be supplied with a sheet of paper with ice cream pictures, where they can use these to present their data collected, transformed into the graph. To challenge the students that excel in the mathematical ability, they can be asked to divide their data into boys and girls alongside the class data that they are telling for. During sharing and debriefing, these students will have an opportunity to share their findings with the rest of the class with the additional investigation that they have made in the comparisons that we have experienced. For this activity, I've chosen to link this to Vic Curriculum version 1 in Statistics and Probability, Data Representations Interpretation. Select a trial method and collection data, including survey questions and recording sheets, VCMSP178, and construct suitable data displays with or without the use of digital technologies from given collected data, including tables, column graphs, picture graphs, where one picture can represent data values, VSMP-SB17. Looking at the misconceptions for this task, as we organize data is a critical step in being able to transform what we can analyze. It is important to be aware of when students are making their own tables from collected data. Some students may have difficulties in making suitable choices when they're constructing their tables. This can result in them using unsuitable intervals and headings and categories. The use of tally marks can be confusing for some students. If they don't understand the value of each tally taken, they cannot interpret the totals of the recorded data. Using bar graphs to represent the data is visually important as it assists us in making comparisons, and some difficulties may arise when the widths of bars aren't equal, the spacing between bars are inconsistent, the spaces are not used between the bars, leading to the graph appearing more like a histogram, and scaling isn't appropriate, making the data more difficult to interpret. Formative assessment. As students are collecting their data, I will observe and monitor student progress. By checking with what the students have completed, I can offer insight to assisting them, including providing advice on how they can change their approach and guiding them to get back on task. Once we have completed transforming our data into graphs, we will look into the following questions to make comparisons and conclusions about what our survey suggests. The questions will be, what is the most popular flavor? What is the least popular flavor? What is the order of preferred ice cream flavors from most popular to least popular? What is the percentage of each flavor did the tasters enjoy? When we have completed the post-survey questions, we will discuss if we were to do the survey again, which flavors would we leave out and which ones would we like to add in? Do you think the results would be different if we surveyed another grade, the adults in the school? Why or why not? By doing this activity, would it change your preference of what ice cream flavor you would like to get next time you're out getting ice cream? Summative assessment. Students have shown capabilities in being able to complete the task, and their work has been viewed along with the feedback provided to the students. The completed work will demonstrate and show that they have collected data from surveying their classmates and transforming the data into a bar graph. Students will analyze the data from the graph to make comparisons of what flavors were popular and weren't popular in polling. Furthermore, students will demonstrate calculations of percentage for the flavors. This is according to the achievement standard level 4 of statistics and probability in Vic Curriculum level 1.